previous levels that we saw on Monday and Tuesday. So if you were listening yesterday, what I spoke about was looking at the pullback plays. And I've just included this slide here about Ripple, Cardano, and Binance Coin, and looking for the pullback play in terms of joining the momentum, joining the uptrend, and looking for a technically sound entry, as well as a pattern that can give us confidence that the odds are in our favor. During the Asian session, let me bring up my platform here. Yeah, so during the Asian session, what we had was, let me start with Cardano, which is the strongest of the top 10 today. Cardano is up 10.86% right now. So what happened? As we spoke about yesterday, this was the breakout here. This is the 4-hour chart. This was the breakout, and price really ran up to that $1.90 point. And then it pulled back. We're looking for some level of buyers' interest to come in. And this is essentially the Asian session. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4-hour candles just ran right into where we are now, which is the US session. Marciano, yeah, it looks like a daily dead cat bounce to you on Ethereum and BTC. That's just your opinion. Okay. Well, we looked at the dailies yesterday. I can't look at them again for you, but let me look at these first as well. So here's Cardano. Really ran up, didn't give us a chance to really get involved, especially because of the Asian session, which I don't necessarily trade. And then let's look at Binance. So it's Binance here. Again, it pulled back, and this is the start of the Asian session here. Ramped right back up to this resistance level at 407. Make sure you guys can see that. So yeah, at 407. So what I'm actually looking for on Binance and Ripple, which has a similar formation. Let's look at Ripple. The chart's a bit clean on Ripple. Is I'm going to be watching so as you can see, spiked up, and as I showed you guys yesterday, Ripple has a tendency to run, especially a lot of follow through after the initial move higher. So it's not guaranteed, but it does always have that. It has that potential, because we've seen on the daily in previous years where you've had that follow through. So if you look at what we're seeing here now, this is the Asian session. Price came up and kind of stopped around this resistance area here. What I'm looking at is the setup that I'd like to see to get involved is we see here where this level of support became resistance, and then it broke through that resistance level. I'd love to see price come back and test anywhere between the whole number dollar mark, and around 99 cents. And buyers to come in there to show me that, yes, they want to take this thing higher, and I'd look for a technical setup to get involved. So I will be closely watching the Ripple 1-hour chart today. That's my favorite of the three that we've discussed, and looking to get involved into the weekend.